This is Evel Knievel and the Evel Knievel shock-absorbing stunt cycle. You can make him do wheelies, backstands, even mid-air somersaults. And for that big jump, here's Evel, up and over that 4-foot ditch. Evel Knievel, sold separately or with the Evel Knievel stunt cycle from Ideal.
Hello and welcome to the third Evel Knievel International Penalty Challenge, England against Wales. I'm Disney's Mark Griffiths and I'm delighted to be bringing you this magnificent charity event. These guys have raised £230,000 for charity. But before this mighty clash begins, here are the national anthem. But now it's time for the Capes of Wrath, the Rhondda Knievel first for Wales. Right foot, top corner, you can't ask for more than that. Only a second Cape for Wales. Oh my word, the keeper didn't even move. Now for England, the Llanfairpwll Gwyngyllgogerychw Wondrobl Llandasilio go go go. Knievel, the longest named Knievel in the world. He steps up Right footed. Oh, that's confident work. Lovely finish. He's a never present for England in this titanic rivalry. A rivalry that, of course, stretches back further than any other, apart from David and Goliath, you know. The Corwen Knievel. The situation's tense. Another right footer. Oh, is it the post? It's in! It's in! Sensational finish! He scored in every single event for Wales. A Knievel legend. Look at the calmness. Look at the miss hit. Curving in against the post. Surely that ball is flat. But it's a goal for Northern Ireland Knievel now. Oh, he's topped that one, an easy save. Such brilliant, agile work in goal. You've just got to say that Jacko Knievel in goal. Magnificent. Now here's the Wrexham Knievel. Oh, he's missed. Wrexham miss. Such pain. He struck it well, didn't get the direction. Tragedy. On his debut, he fluffs it. He has raised the most of any individual Knievel, though, for this charity, as how the RAF Top Gun Knievel, he misses too. Sensational stuff. The standard just keeps getting lower and lower. In 2022, he drilled it in the top corner. This time, he strokes it to Jacko, and didn't he enjoy that? Wales still leading 2-1. So, for Wales, the East Kilbride Knievel. Oh, toe poke! Caught the keeper flat-footed. Beautiful toe poke that. The bagpipes are playing in the crowd. What a strike. Brilliant stuff. Geordie Knievel had no chance. Just look at it. Poetry in motion. It was 3-1 up. Proper celebration that. The Gwiner scored. Knievel now making his debut for England. Oh, he's topped that. Oh, it's in! Oh, Jacko Knievel had just deceived him. Couldn't get his eyes positioned inside the helmet quickly enough. And the ball dribbles in apologetically. Oh, keeping England in it. There are 6 penalty shooters in this. Now the one and only Valley Knievel, Welsh team coach. He missed last time. Right footed. Oh, he's missed it. Oh my word, that ball almost apologised before it arrived in the hands of Geordie Knievel there. Continuing his run. He missed last year, and that is a miss for the ages. Forrester Dean Knievel then, on his debut for England, can equal it up. Goodness me. You could cut the air with a knife here in Bala, partly due to the pollution. Here he comes down. Forrester Dean Knievel. Right footed. Oh, no messing around with that. Drilled in the bottom corner. You're not saving those. And now here comes another debutant. The Ruslan Agrigog Knievel. Quick run up. Oh, slots it. Keeper went the wrong way. That's a cool finish. Yeah, this is it then. Doncaster Knievel. First cap for England is stepping up. He looks nervous. If he misses this, it's all over. Oh, it's a weak one. It's saved! Jacko! Jacko saves it! The Jacko Knievel wins it for Wales. Absolutely sensational. Look at these scenes. Just look at these scenes. Possibly the greatest sporting achievement in the history of the Principality. Wales win the International Knievels Penalty Shootout in 2023. It'll be back again in May in 2024. Can Wales do it again? Jacko, he broke his ankle in a good cause, sacrificing his health for his nation. What on earth would Knight Evans say? He'd be weeping with pride. What a performance by Wales. Abject misery for England. Once again, England lose on penalties. At least they're used to it. But over in Montana, the Knievel name will ring from this magnificent performance. Sport at its best. You've never seen players scuff a ball as consistently as that. Well done, Bala Town, for hosting this, the greatest event in their history. And well, next year they'll do it all again. Make sure you support them as they raise more money for charity.
Okay, very, very pleased with the result. Obviously, my penalty was absolutely shocking, but the main thing, Wales won. I hope I can redeem myself in a year's time, but fantastic. Really enjoyed it, and we'll have a couple of beers to celebrate tonight. Thank you.
Well, that was a bit disappointing for us. We lost by one penalty, but we all did our best, and the bottom line is we all had great fun. Just would have been a little bit more fun had we won. But well done to Wales. Well deserved win.
Some are born Knievel. Some have Knievelness thrust upon them. But these mighty warriors have raised so much money for charity, and they will continue to do so. Make sure you support them. In 2024, the RIDE Knievels will go from John O'Groats to Land's End. Support them, follow them, and help them in their quest to raise funds for wonderful causes. Thanks to Tony Stokes, and thanks to me, Disney's Mark Griffiths, for making it all lovely.